know what to say when y'all be like, I don't like that wig. Thanks for watching. Okay, listen, y'all see how we coming on camera. Okay, I'm already, get your debit card. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Outre. They were kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. It's also Sippin' Slay, and your girl got herself a little drinky drink right here because, you know, last week I was struggling on that struggle bus with that little tea wine joint, and I said, you know what, not today, okay? No wine, no drinky drink. I got my caramel macchiato iced coffee, and that's what I'm drinking for the rest of the day, okay? Don't at me. Now, before we get into the install and styling of this unit, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the specs and what I think about the unit straight out the pack, because, you know, we want to get to the styles, okay? The styles is what's important for this unit, okay? It's a versatile half wig that can be styled multiple different ways, okay? I'm gonna show you 3. But before we get into all that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Outre. This is the brand new quick weave unit by the name of Neesha H305. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color 1B, and this unit does retail below $20 for the bundles that I got on my head. Hello. Now, if you have been a fan of Outre for a long time, you know the Quick Weave series used to come with the long comb across the front. No more. They realized that we don't need all that. 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps on this unit is all we need to secure this wig too. I don't. But y'all know me, I'm finicky about them combs, so I go ahead and put on my wig grip, and if I need them, I slide the combs under the wig grip for that extra security, okay? I need to keep my edges. Y'all heard the horror stories. I need to make sure my edges are secure on my dome, and y'all, they flourish, and look at them. Thank you, wig grip. This is definitely a texture unit. Y'all know Neesha comes with the texture. It's given a blown out kinky / yaki texture that I'm here for. It has the curls in it. Nothing crazy about this unit. Now, this is the shorter version, but I'm pretty sure they also dropped a longer version of this one, and I did go back and buy the longer version because I want to do some upstyles with that joint, okay? No shedding or tangling with this joint. I'm here for it, and I think you should be too, okay? Go ahead and grab them coins and get this wig, sis. Okay, I'm telling you now, grab it. It does come in some specialty colors. You get the ginger brown, red velvet, chocolate swirl, honey brown, golden honey blonde. Okay, oh, wait a minute. Coffee got me jittery. Those are the colors right there on the back of the stock card. So if you want to do anything spicy outside the natural 1B or the number 2, you can definitely do that. But the color 1B is giving me live. I ain't got no sense. But let's go ahead and get into the styles, okay? Because, you know, people need to see me. Let's go.
It's not my fault. You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options. I ain't take your options. Now I'm not the problem, man, that's on you, yeah. You've been terrorizing me, yeah, I'm always wrong. You lost your mind when you dropped that bomb. Girl, are you crazy? Yeah, you must be crazy. I've been thinking lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you, baby, it's you, What did you think? You could say whatever and I would never. You've been flexing everywhere. Girl, look in the mirror. Man, you're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. on me, but baby, it's you. Lie like a ride, but take your stuff back, baby, it's you. Your parade, shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face. Please, what do I have to do?
It's the movement, okay? It's the movement. And guess what? She is secure on my dome thanks to that wig grip, okay? No combs necessary, but if you want to use them, that's your edges, okay? And y'all know when they had that big comb across the front, it used to leave a little humpiness, you know, around here. I used to rock the units from the Quick Weave series all the time. That's what pulled out my hairline, okay? My whole hairline was MIA. And I'm still slamming the comb into my hair. Listen. My hairline was gone, you hear me? So the struggle situation that I got left, I'm trying to hold on to her, okay? No combs for me. Okay, so all in all, this wig is bomb, okay? There's nothing crazy I can say about this unit. It's a gorgeous unit, I really like it, and if you're not here for it, then you know, okay, I don't know. I don't be knowing what to say when y'all be like, I don't like that wig. Thanks for watching. It becomes real awkward in the comments, like, I don't know how to respond to you. But you know, I'll give it a little heart anyway. But that is all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Outre for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put some links for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.